Hello everyone, welcome back to Infomercial, and today's video we are going to learn about 4 basic useful features to make your presentation look highly effective, decent and attractive to audience. Number 1, how to add HD images in your presentation slides. HD here means high definition pictures, or you can say the sharp pictures. Now, I've seen many of the people, they add picture like this. Is it sharp enough? Is it vivid? No way. And sometimes they add picture like this, which has the logo inside of this, or maybe the originator name. Please do not add these kind of images in your presentation. They ruin your presentation and you lose audience attention eventually. What is the solution then? There are 2 ways to insert your picture in PowerPoint. Number 1, to go to the insert bar and click picture. The pictures you have already downloaded in your computer, you can simply add them. Or else go to Google and search for image. For example, I've searched digital world images HD. Make sure you write HD over here so you can get the best results. Number 1 picture. Have a look on this one. Does it have, yes, it has the logo inside of that, so I cannot select this. What about this one? I don't think so, it is sharp enough. And what about this one? I feel like it is sharp enough, so let's check it out. Right click and then open image in new tab, go over here and then zoom in so that you can see the result of this picture. It is sharp enough. Right click, copy and then paste it over here by the command Control V. Now resize your picture according to your slide on your white page, and then you can go to the format bar in the middle, and then you can crop it. Whether you can crop like this by 8 angles, or simply go to the crop option which has the shape option as well and click circle. Since it was my circle picture, so I selected to crop like this. Secondly, you can add icons as well to make your presentation look effective. For example, I've searched for the digital world icons and let's see which I can go with this one. For example, this one, and then copy it on your slide. Simple, by commanding Control C and Control V, V for vertical, and then you can put your icon over here or somewhere you need. Moving to number 2, how to create shapes and add text in your presentation slides. Once you have selected image, to draw the shapes now, go to Insert, Illustrations, Shapes, and then make any one of the shapes you like. For example, this one. To format the shape, go to Format and then remove the outline and fill it up with any color. Now to add a text in your presentation, go to draw the text box from here and then type your heading. And to make it in a center, you need to press Ctrl A for all, Ctrl E for element, and then Ctrl B for bold, and then go to Home tab to resize your heading. And to change the font, go to this option and click on Century Gothic or any font you like. Now I need to add text in this box. How to do it? Simple. Right click, edit text, and then type it over here. And then if I need to number it, then I'll just copy my heading, Ctrl D for duplicate, and I will type it over here, 01, and I'm going to resize it till 102, and I'm going to color it as white color. I'm going to just make a design, just have a look on this one. How about if I give number like this? Let's talk about number 3, how to insert a video in your presentation slides. Make sure your video should also be in HD format and should be vivid enough for the audience, as were your pictures. Before you add any slide of video, make sure to add one more slide which should have the message, let's watch a video. Why I have added this slide, I'll tell you. Let's go and find out how to insert a video. On this slide, go to Insert bar, second last option, video on my PC, and then select any video, insert it over here, and when you insert your video, make sure to resize it a little bit, and then align it, go to Format, Align, Center, and in the middle. That's done. And to format your background, which should have the black color to give it a cinematic view, and so your video should be highlighted over all the projector. So this is done. Now the third step, go to playback and click on automatically option. So your video will start automatic. How? Let's watch. You do not have to click on your video. You do not have to click on your video. Otherwise, if you click, then it will take time to play the video and the audience will go to sleep. Number 4, let's talk about how to print a presentation. Sometimes it is a requirement that you need to submit your printed copy of your presentation to your management or to the audience or to your course instructor. For that, press Ctrl P, P for print, that's the command, and there are several options that you need to go through. For example, if you need 2 slides, so you can select this one, and if you need 4 slides horizontally, then you can select this one. Make sure you scale to fit paper, and then the third option, high quality, and then make sure your orientation should be landscape. And I would prefer you to print 4 slides on one paper because save papers and save trees. Thank you everyone for watching Infomercial. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, hit the like button, and make sure keep in touch with us by subscribing and ringing the bell icon so you never miss an update.